What's going on, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new gadget I picked up, and it's going to be for real estate video, it's going to be for my YouTube channel, and it's going to be for shooting videos of my friends' cars and my cars. So with me, I have the Karma drone, and it comes with the backpack. Well, let's unbox it and just show you what it is. All right, so let's get this unboxing underway. So I'm gonna pull up on this part right here. That wasn't too smooth. So I'm gonna take this off. Then I got the backpack, and here's how it looks. Very nice. I'm gonna pull that off and we're gonna open it up. Wow, that is nice. So here we have the drone, and connected to it is, oh God, connected to it is the harness. We got little cap things. I'll put them back on that. Then we have the Karma grip. It looks like a charger. Cables. The remote control. How do you open that? Oh wow. So the remote control looks like, oh yeah, that's nice. Nice little LCD screen on there. And then we got a little sack thing. Let's see what's in here. A cable, a little adapter, a wrist strap, a Velcro strap, and the instructions in the manual. All right. So one more look at what you get with it. You get the backpack carrying case, the little pouch that holds all this, the control, AC adapter or whatever to charge it, the Karma grip, some more cables, and the drone. And here's my little 35mm lens. I love this thing. But yeah, that's what you get. Alright, so that was the Karma drone unboxing, and all left to do is put it together and play with it. So let's see what kind of footage I can get with it. I'm gonna head over to the park and check out the footage. Here we go. Oh yeah, and also here are the blades. Forgot about these, or the propellers. And it looks like a certain tool, I'm guessing, to put them on. I'm not sure what this tool's for, but yeah, there's that too.
This is a Chucky Beat production. This is a Chucky Beat production.
Alright, so we are ready to fly. Well, I'm still charging the control and the battery, so we're almost ready to fly, but the drone's ready, and let's head out. Alright, so we're over here at a pretty big soccer park, and it's a lot of nice room to play with the drone, because I definitely don't want to get it stuck in a tree or hit something my first time. So here's the drone, and let me try to fly it. All right, so I have my drone sitting over there on the floor, nice distance away from us. And right now I'm doing a little learning how to fly thing. And I'm done flying, so I think it's time to take liftoff. Alright, so the training's done and now I'm gonna do a takeoff. So here we go. So, oh wait, I gotta turn the motors on. Alright, now I'm gonna hit takeoff. And the drone is up. So I'm gonna turn, I'm just gonna fly around. I'm gonna go up. Alrighty, so that was fun. I guess I hit a bug. I hit a bug in the air. I ended his life. But that was super fun and easy to use, by the way. Now I'm just gonna pack it up, pack up my camera too, and then go back to my car over there, right there, and then go home.